We went to a more efficient government. We're a city and a county, meaning that we're still a municipality as well as the county, because under the Constitution, the county, with the constitutional officers and things, still have to be maintained on a county form of government. But in terms of the citizens' lives, you had one public works, you had one business development, you have one law enforcement that covers the entire county. So we streamlined and we made it more efficient for those who need our services. And one garbage service. That was. And we have one emergency management company and everything. We have one recreation department. We have one fire department. So it just streamlined all of our services and made it better for the citizens to get the kind of service they expected and deserved. When we consolidated, we went from 21 to 10, 9 commissioners and a mayor. So we're term limited to 3 terms on the commission. The mayor's term limited to 2 terms, and we have elections every 4 years. They're on the presidential ballot. They're on the presidential years. We don't have any staggered terms. Everybody is on the ballot at the same time. So it did reduce the number of elected officials, which sometimes is a concern for elected officials. So, but in terms of the citizens and those who voted, they really didn't mind reducing the number of elected officials, because in many cases they didn't think we were doing what we were supposed to do. So when you have less of them, they're more accountable. So that was sort of the impression we got from the constituents, is that they could care less about elected officials. They just wanted their services and be able to have somebody that's going to be accountable to their needs. We passed the referendum in July of 12, and from that point, we had a transition task force that was staffed by our regional commission. We have regional commissions in Georgia that provide technical assistance to local governments within about a 7-county area. They were the staff person. They managed the transition task force. There were people from the community on there to look at our ordinances, to look at the codes, look at how we manage through the charter, put things together. And that started in July of 12 in earnest, and they were done in November, December of 13, and then we went live January 1st, 2014. So it took about 15, 16 months. I enjoy being here in Clarksville. It's a beautiful community, and we'll offer any kind of assistance